Creamy pasta and peas. Quick and easy one-pot recipe. Finely chop the onion and carrot. In a large pot, pour a drizzle of oil and add the chopped vegetables, chili pepper, and basil leaf. Cover with the lid and let it sauté gently for a few minutes to release all the aromas. Add the peas, drained, and the cherry tomatoes cut in half. Pour in the water, adjust salt, and let it cook for about 20 minutes over medium heat. Don't drain anything. Throw the pasta directly into the pot with the peas. If necessary, add another splash of hot water as the pasta absorbs the liquid. When the pasta is cooked and the liquid has become creamy, turn off the heat. Add the pecorino cheese and mix vigorously to bind everything together.